All right, so that was just my 3-ounce package of instant chocolate pudding and my 14 ounces of chocolate milk. We are just combining those together in our 13 by 9 until well combined. You can use regular milk if that's what you preferred. You'll get a little less sugar that way, but I just wanted this to be a chocolate dessert. Extra chocolate, please. Okay, we gotta make sure that these get perfectly mixed together, just like so. Once you feel like they are well combined, we're just gonna put our whisk to the side. We will be using it again. And we are gonna grab our favorite chocolate cake mix, Dolly Parton's favorite chocolate. I love the Dolly Parton cake mixes because they're a few ounces more than the standard cake mixes, so you get more bang for your buck, and also it tastes amazing. Okay, now that we have that in there, we're gonna mix it in with our pudding and our chocolate milk until we get kind of a thick batter in our 13 by 9. All right, actually before I continue mixing, I am gonna bring in my Smucker's caramel, and this will help with our consistency, and we are going to add our caramel right into our cake batter. Okay, we are gonna use 3/4 of our jar of caramel. And now we will get the consistency that we want with this cake. All right, so once our batter kind of looks like a brownie batter, that's when you know it is mixed and ready for our next step. We are gonna come in with some dark chocolate chips, and we are gonna sprinkle these right on top of our entire 13 by 9. You can use as many or as little as you like. Perfect, I used about 3/4 of the bag. And then the last thing we're gonna add is some pecan pieces. Oh my goodness, it's gonna add the perfect little saltiness to our rich chocolate cake that we're making. It's gonna be kind of almost like a molten cake, but way easier to make and just as delicious. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look incredible? I'm gonna use this whole bag, which is 1 cup. Yummy. All right, you guys, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this only cooks for 35 minutes. Oh my, this literally smells like a heaven in a cake.
It smells so delicious.
I am so ready. I let it chill for about 5 minutes, but I can't wait any longer. I'm gonna go for this corner piece. I'm honestly like so surprised at how this came out with no eggs or oil. That pudding mix really put in the work.
I think it was the chocolate milk that really did it for me.
Okay, let's see if we can get the perfect slice out. Tried my best, you guys. The first slice is like the first pancake. You always throw it out.
I'm eating this.
Look how decadent that is. And of course, with all of that chocolate, you gotta do some Ready Whip.
Dogs are gonna go crazy.
Woo, woo, woo. Oh my goodness, it looks so rich. This is way too good, you guys.